FacilityBot maintains and displays various datasets such as the status, response, and rectification times of all fault reports, service requests, and checklists. View breakdowns of requests by request type, location tags, or time of day. Easily see which request remains pending and click through to find out why. Similarly, see which checklist remains pending and click through to see details. Configure response and rectification time, key performance indicators as based on priority, fault type, or request type. Once set, you can easily find out which requests exceeded the KPI threshold each month. Data can also be exported for further processing. Stop spending time preparing Excel and PowerPoint reports. To find out more, sign up for a free trial today.